Good morning, students. This is Mr. PJ Titus. Today our discussing topic will be present perfect continuous, and we have already discussed the theory part. At the same time, we have already discussed about the since and for use. Okay, use of since and for. And today we will discuss about sentence building. Already while we were discussing about since and for, so such way I hint to you, okay, something about sentence building and positive, negative, interrogative, negative, etc. So let's make some sentence today, and then after we will complete fully the present tense. Okay, as we are we know that there are 4 steps. Okay, positive, negative, interrogative, negative. So let us begin to positive. Okay, positive. I have been reading this novel since morning. Okay, they have been practicing maths for 2 hours. Okay, that last video already I mentioned period of time and point of time. Okay, this is point of time. This is point of time and this is period of time. Okay, this is period of time. So we have to remember point of time and period of time. When we put here period of time, so for that case we use for, and when we use point of time means a particular time. Already I told you where there is particular time we use since, where there is period of time we use the for. So that is why again I would like to remind you the structure. This is subject and this is helping verb. Okay, and this is another helping verb. Okay, this is another helping verb, main verb, object. Okay, main verb and object. So reading this novel, okay, novel since morning. So after object we may put here since. After object, if there is no object, so after verb we can put here since or for. Okay, so in this way you can make positive sentences, and in this way you can make positive sentences. And I will write 2 more sentences like your brother has been waiting here for 2 hours. your brother has been waiting here for 2 hours. Okay, your brother has been waiting here for 2 hours. Okay, they have been living in Jaipur. They have been living in Jaipur since 2007. Okay, since 2007. This is period of time, and this is this is period of time, and this is point of time. Okay, particular time, definite time, and indefinite time. So at the same way, if you want to make negative sentence, so you can put your brother is subject, okay, has is helping verb, in between you can put not, in between you can put not, and it will be negative, it will be negative. Okay, it will be negative. At the same time, they have, here remember, not will be third place. They have not been living in Jaipur since 2007. So in this way it is very easy to make from positive to negative. Just you put here negative, and finally you have to put here full stop. That's very important. That's very important. Okay, now we will discuss about interrogative. We will discuss about interrogative, or then after interrogative, negative. We'll discuss about interrogative and interrogative negative. So let me write you some sentence. Interrogative. Okay. Have. So what is formula? First of all, I will write a sentence, then you can understand. I will write here 4 sentences, and at the same time, the same sentence will be converted into interrogative negative. Just you have to see it very clearly. Okay. Have I been reading this novel since morning. Okay, since morning. Has he practicing? Has he been practicing maths for 1 hour. Finally, you can make a question mark. Okay. Have they been playing since 8 a.m. Okay, that's clear. And we can write another. Have we been living in Jaipur for 6 years? Have we been living in Jaipur for 6 years? Okay. Now you think how we have separated have been. Okay, in between we put here subject. So when there is question, so we have to separate it, have and been. In between we have to put here subject. Okay, helping verb, both are helping verb. Okay, both are auxiliary, but we have to separate them. Okay, so if we make positive, then both will be adding. Okay, but when we make interrogative, or both will be separating, in between there is subject. In between there is subject. That's very important, and this formula you have to remember. Subject is here. Subject is here. Sorry, helping verb is here. Subject is here. This is also another helping verb, main verb. Then also you can see there object, then since or for. Then since or for. Now, if you want to make interrogative negative, what will you do then? So you have to choose the third place. You have to choose the third place. The third place is here. Have I not? The third place. Has he? Just after subject. Just after subject. Just after subject. Okay. So in this way you can make a positive, and from positive to negative, that's also very easy. Then after you make interrogative, from interrogative to interrogative negative, that's also very easy. So in this way we have completed present tense, and from next class we will be discussing about past. So thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day. If you liked, so please like. If you want to make any comment, so you are allowed to make a comment. At the same time, if you want to share it to your friends and classmates, so you can share it also. Okay, thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day.